Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by closing Minecraft and any launchers, no half-open files. Next, open the run box and type %appdata% to reach the Minecraft folders. If com.mojang is missing, make a temporary backup of any visible Minecraft data, copy worlds and resource packs to a desktop folder. Once done, check hidden files and permissions. Make sure your account can view protected folders and that antivirus or OneDrive isn't hiding or relocating com.mojang. These steps prevent accidental data loss before deeper fixes. Now focus on restoring com.mojang. If you have a backup or cloud copy, restore it into %appdata%. If not, create a new folder named com.mojang and inside replicate key subfolders, resource packs, saves, and options. Move your backed up worlds into saves. Then run Minecraft once. The game will regenerate missing default files and folders. Make sure the launcher runs as your user and not as administrator if files were created under a different SID. Mismatched permissions can prevent finish by verifying ownership and permissions on com.mojang. Right-click Properties Security, then take ownership and grant full control to your user. Once secured, disable OneDrive or exclude the folder to avoid automatic moves. If the game still doesn't see com.mojang, reinstall the launcher but do not delete %appdata%. That preserves saves. Troubleshooting tip: if files vanish again, check antivirus/quarantine and recent Windows file history. Restoring from file history often recovers missing com.mojang data quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.